Today I'm going to do unboxing. MacBook Air. My son got it for me.
At the bottom, you have to read
This one. This one. Go.
Yeah.
Another one. Don't. Because I was complaining about the former computer that is kind of big and heavy. So I was looking for the gray one. Isn't it beautiful? And it's very thin.
How's the weight?
It's okay. It's not that very light, but the thinness is okay. The price was like $9.99. Under 110 voltage in yours. This one. I was thinking this one is very engineering design. It's just a paper, but
How many hundreds of hours went
I
into
know
it?
it secures really well. I don't like to throw it away. So, when this one has a power wire, I put the code like this, and it's automatically, like a magnet. Because when you pull, it doesn't come up, but when you flip over, you can like this. Yep. And I got the case too. These cases for the top protection. That's it. So open, la la. It makes a sound.
Nice picture.
Too thin. I cannot reuse it. Oh wow. I guess I didn't press anything. Automatically does it. No, it's
Shall we set it up?
Sure. Can we put this one in? We should go. Powering up. So C drive.
USB-C, yeah.
Can you plug this on? Oh, right there. Okay. Still greeting.
Oh no, you press the key.
I know.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I got this another gift from my son, and it's Pro Gamers. I did it already.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I opened it actually. mouse. It's very, very expensive. I never used the expensive mouse like this one before. It's very comfortable when I put my hands on it. It's not too big, not too small, and its height is okay. And I don't know what it is.
This is the signal receiver.
Signal receiver. Signal from what?
The mouse.
Oh, this unique mouse has a little touch. Here's the part. There you go. See, I have the laser, some kind of design. And also, oh, I love this one. When I touch this one in the display area, it feels so good. No slippery. No slipperiness on this one. So I'm gonna put, so let me take this one off.
Yeah.
Should I? Should I not?
Use it.
Oh, so this one is very tiny hole, very stretchable. So I'm gonna push it through like this. Push it like that. Oh. So this one actually goes to there.
Yeah, the computer. But you need the adapter.
Oh, that's right. C. Type C adapter. Did we buy that?
Mm-hmm.
So,
It should be this.
this one? No? Yeah, the big one. So it has 2 more access.
Exactly.
Yeah, D5.
8.
8. So I got this one too. It has 8 type, 2 more. And take up this one, voila! Everything's new. So I put it down over here where there is, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And then I put this one here where there is 8 type. 8 type. 8 type. Oops. Look at it. And then this one. So now what I'm going to do is this one I must put on the screen. You have this one, please?
Mhm.
This?
You're gonna put the one on the side first.
Yeah. Very quick. Nice job.
Wow.
Can you put this one here like that? Oh, this is very thin, but also has a texture over it. so it's more like a rubber kind of texture material. And, yeah. The other day I put I was changing the foam filler by myself. Messed up once. And then second time I succeeded, but so I broke the tip of the foam.
Oh wow.
Because I pressed too much and then it shredded a little bit of the tip at the bottom. So I actually broke my phone to put in the film.
It's ironic.
Oh, perfect.
Do you like it?
You know, this costs a lot. It was like $150. Where was it? This one?
The brand?
Yeah.
Razer.
No, I mean, where do I put this one?
Oh, where
Over
do you
here?
want?
Over here? So, let me think later. Okay, let's start. What do I do?
Does it actually move the mouse? Oh, it does.
What does it do?
So this, you can use this mouse wirelessly once it's charged. So instead of plugging the cable into the mouse, you plug the cable into this thing. And this thing will receive the signal from your mouse so that you can use it wirelessly. So don't lose this. So right now, see how it's directly connected to the computer?
Right. But
Yeah,
after, what did you say? So
Yeah.
I take out this one and then
plug it in here.
plug where?
Uh-huh.
So put this one in here?
Yeah.
Where does the...
Unwrap it.
seat time.
Yep.
Oh, so I put this cord into here and then...
Just leave
so
it
this one is like...
wireless.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm learning. It's beautiful, isn't it? Like it has a seat time. You can make the mouse. I can do it right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. What about this one? It's not charged enough yet?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it comes with pre-charge, but yeah, let's see.
It's working. Yeah. See now, the light is on here and then this one module.